right, just a small piece. Look, chocolate. See? Totally safe. You're too much.
That's my friend! That's my friend!
It's just dessert, silly.
Put it back! Put it back! Oh my God! You're a criminal! You cut me! You cut me! Why are you doing this, Sarah? Why?
Oh, guy, it's just a cake.
No! You cut my hand! You monster! Call police! Call doctor! Call everybody! No! Stop my friend! Stop it! Stop!
Oh, goodness.
It's just cake, sweetie.
Cake friend?
Promise it's not real.
Hey!
See, no harm done. Here we go.
No! No! No!
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay.
No!
I'm not cutting it, I promise.
No!
All right, buddy, no cutting.